Hello guys, and in this lecture I'll be showing you how to install Visual Studio Code, which is the code editor that we are going to be using throughout this course. So I'm on Windows, so I would be installing this Windows version. If you're on Linux, you'd be either installing the Ubuntu version or the Fedora version. And if you're on Mac OS, you just install the Mac and run it, and you should have Visual Studio Code. So Visual Studio Code is basically just an advanced code editor that has a lot of other features that regular code editors don't have. For example, we have extensions, debugging, and other useful features that are not included in most other editors. So in this current course, we're going to be needing to install the Python extension to be able to see the Python color coding. So you just search Python in the extensions folder and you can just hit install and it should have Python installed. So now that we have our code editor set up, we can just continue on in our course. I hope I see you guys in the next lecture.